Hey everyone, welcome back to Irrigation Technology Bangladesh. Today we're diving into an essential topic for every gardener and farmer: irrigation. Whether you're growing flowers, veggies, or maintaining your lawn, proper irrigation is key to a thriving garden. So let's get started with 5 essential irrigation tips that will help you maximize your water efficiency and keep your plants healthy. Tip number 1. Know your plant's needs. Different plants have varying water requirements. For example, succulents need far less water than vegetables. Research the specific needs of your plants and group them accordingly in your garden. This way, you can tailor your irrigation strategy to suit each plant's unique requirements. Tip number 2. Water early in the morning or late in the evening. This helps minimize evaporation caused by the sun and heat. Watering during these cooler times allows more moisture to penetrate the soil, giving your plants the hydration they need without wasting water. Tip number 3. Use mulch. Applying a layer of organic mulch around your plants can significantly reduce water evaporation from the soil. It also helps regulate soil temperature and suppresses weeds, which compete for water. Aim for about 2 to 3 inches of mulch for the best results. Tip number 4. Consider a drip irrigation system. Drip irrigation delivers water directly to the roots of your plants, minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency. It's particularly effective for vegetable gardens and flower beds. While there's an initial setup cost, it can save you both water and money in the long run. Finally, tip number 5. Regularly check your soil moisture. Instead of sticking to a strict watering schedule, check the soil's moisture level. You can do this by sticking your finger about an inch into the soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water. A soil moisture meter can also be a handy tool for this. And there you have it, 5 irrigation tips to keep your garden flourishing. Remember, efficient watering not only benefits your plants, but also conserves precious water resources. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more gardening advice, and let me know in the comments your own irrigation tips. Happy gardening!